dedicated to continuous education, develops and fosters conferences, academic courses, workshops, and seminars in integrative complementary naturopathic medicine. This field, in continuous expansion, with an ever-growing request for professional education, brought us to put together a highly qualified team. We strive to empower students through mindfulness, which develops their talents and potentials. Our main objective: offer qualified information to doctors, caretakers, social laborers, health professionals, as well as laymen concerning the naturopathic world. We endeavor particularly in essential oils, since they are ever more an emerging and important field for healthcare. And is a leader in the unique world of clinical aromatherapy training.